You need to watch this video if you feel stuck while manifesting. If you want to manifest your deepest desires, then listen up. In this video, I will tell you a secret that will make it all click for you. In my journey of manifestation, I have watched many videos, listened to audio lectures, and read many books, constantly updating myself with the vast knowledge around this topic of manifestation. In between those pieces of information, something gets clicked within that changes the whole understanding of manifesting. And today, I am going to share such information with you. You might have heard that you have to perform some manifestation techniques to manifest your desire in your 3D reality. This broad statement makes everyone think that manifestation is a process where you do something externally, like speaking affirmations, scripting, or some other method to get your desire. The majority of us want something physically. We manifest with the goal of having something in 3D. You too might have a goal to have a specific person or something in 3D reality. You think that once I affirm or visualize, I will get my desire in 3D, and then I will become happy. Some people follow this approach and delay their manifestation. It is because they forget that their physical manifestation is just a byproduct of their imagination. Like in an oil refinery, oil is processed with the goal of obtaining the main product, which is a refined oil. But as they process it, bitumen and chemical fertilizers are also produced during the process, which are not the primary products but are byproducts. They, too, are sold to obtain profit. In the same fashion, your physical manifestation is also a byproduct. I know many of you will be shocked. You will think that obtaining that desire is your main purpose. You will be thinking that I am affirming or visualizing to get my desire. Then how can it be a byproduct? Don't worry, I have answers to your questions. The majority of people who watch manifestation videos forget that the techniques are just there for you to obtain a feeling within you. The whole purpose of manifestation is to get into the state of having a wish fulfilled. You perform these techniques to obtain a feeling. The feeling is the main product. It is the main purpose. You perform it to satisfy your inner being, the inner man. Like in the oil refinery, the refined oil is obtained by refining the crude oil. In the same fashion, your techniques are used in order to obtain the feeling. The physical manifestation is just like the bitumen and the fertilizers that are always obtained from the process. If the oil is not processed properly, you won't get the main product or the byproducts. In the same way, if you don't use your imagination properly, you won't obtain the feeling, and thus the physical manifestation, which is a byproduct, won't be obtained. Some of you are shocked. This is the whole point that many YouTubers and coaches are trying to explain to you. It is not about getting the manifestation in 3D. It is always about having the feeling within you. It is always about getting satisfied internally, and then it shows up as a byproduct on the outside. It is because the external reality is a huge mirror, always reflecting whatever you do on the inside. This might be an aha moment for many of you. This might be a turning point for many of you. Now it will make sense. You just have to experience it. You don't have to chase anything. You don't have to get anything on the outside. You just have to give it to yourself on the inside. You give it by using your imagination. It is all about getting that feeling. It is all about having that feeling and living with that feeling on the inside. Your desires are always about some feeling. For some, having a luxurious car will give them a feeling of pride and happiness. To have a special person, some people will feel important, loved, and happy. To have a certain amount of money as your bank balance, some will feel safe and secure. Every object or person you want in your life is because of how they will make you feel. After watching this video, sit with yourself and ask yourself why you want your desire or why you wanted something in the past. I assure you, the answer will always be about having a feeling. It is about feeling. The feelings that you have inside of you are the primary goal that you have to achieve, and the physical manifestation is just a byproduct of that feeling. In my journey of manifestation, I have identified it after manifesting some objects and people. The objects are just a symbol of our feelings. The person represents a feeling within us. We have to catch that mood within us. If you closed your eyes and imagined yourself going on a road trip with a specific person, how would you feel? Just ask this question. A feeling would arise, a scene would be created. You would be listening to songs with them. They would be taking your pictures, and it would be a beautiful scene. Just stay in this feeling, and your primary objective is achieved. The byproduct is on its way and will show up to you in the coming days. Have fun with your imaginal acts. Imagine beautiful scenarios. Think of all the fun things that you would do in the scenarios that would take place. Your outer world is responding to how you feel inside. If you feel depressed, everything outside will appear to be depressed. Whatever you identify with on the inside gets reflected in your 3D reality. You always have a choice. You are in full control of your feelings. Even if you feel love, happiness, joy, or hate, anger, or sadness, they all appear within you. They are always inside of you. You create them within you. This is why it becomes important for you to get aware of what you are feeling on the inside. because it is what manifests outside. Always remember this byproduct example, and you will manifest things effortlessly. Always focus on the feelings. They are the primary goal you have to achieve. The physical object will appear in the upcoming days. With this, I hope you learned something new. Subscribe to watch more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.